Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys. Today we unboxing iPhone 17 Pro Max, 256 GB. This one is blue color, 256 GB. This one Malaysian set. See, Malaysian set now new code is XA. Before people saying ZP. Now they change the code already officially. Apple. Now the new code is for XA. XA they coming in Australia also. XA they coming Malaysia also. It's totally new, brand new sealed. Now we start to unboxing. Okay, you unbox. Can I make video, right? Video can I make? You unboxing. Okay. Yeah, you open. I can make, right?
You send me letter, right?
Yeah, of course. Okay. No problem, I send you. You open, huh?
Wait, yeah. You put the inside again.
Later. You open, then I put.
You can
Yeah.
because I open
Temper glass and apple.
I make the video later in my house.
Okay. Okay. You want to send your home, okay. No problem. Yeah, here. Okay. Now put like this and yeah, slowly, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Here. Take on. Yeah. Mashallah. Wow.
Open this one.
Yeah, open this one. Okay. You turn on. Here button. This one turn on. This.
This one new one, no?
Yeah, new one. I told. Now open. Now open. Before never open. But she's the first person she opened this phone. Yeah. No, close. Done already. Okay. You want to transfer the data or no?
Huh? Wait, I put my.
Yeah.
I'm not ready.
Okay. No, it's starting. No problem. You just do whatever you want to do lah. Yeah. This because she have pouch, yeah. Now you can see. Yeah. And this one, see, this one no have this function.
Yeah.
See behind.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Only.
Yeah, but this one iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Yeah. This one 17 Pro Max.
What is that?
Yes. No problem. Okay, give me. I will activate.
Okay.
She don't want to change. She don't want to change. You want to see?
Okay.
She's your friend?
Hồi chứ nào nó mình đe cọc
You open your Gmail, I make Apple account.
Gmail, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you have Apple account. Apple ID you have?
No.
You want to make new?
Yeah.
Okay, open your Gmail.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we activate this phone already.
I send my Gmail. I send my Facebook.
Everything. Don't worry.
SIM card.
Okay.
Okay, my SIM card is put inside.
Okay. Wait.
Okay.
It's done already. Open this one lock, I make Apple ID.
My Apple ID is not working inside there.
I make new one.
Okay.
Why this not working?
Is it not working? I don't know. Hey, ayan gua ada nyamal ke laro tiap tahun ni. Ni ke Facebook ni ada apa? Nanti gua dulu simu je nak aku lagi ada. Ada orang ada. Kau aja orang ada. Dulu ada banyak ada. Dia ni kan tadi kau ini aja orang ni tiang gini.
Edward put bank.
Ni bentuk ni. Mana kau? Even. Dia đang ra qua cái pháo vào nhà ta chân có cái là cái những nước chip này đèn của nhà dân còn này như không có là đâu có chỉ có cái đó kalau bang aja yo jara ho di dia no cái đó là đó lagi nó ada question dia mana mana ngay nữa mới bao lại cái này chưa đuổi cái này kalau cái này mình không có cái nhà bữa mai rồi nó lại lấy đi chơi cái đuổi cùng đàn nhiều cái phim mình chơi kalau cái là đóng mình có được nó mà bữa còn đi là được cái cần đi chơi nhưng có yếu toàn đó đâu có đi chơi mà là cái là thế yếu kan bisin mua kan juga tu nak pernah balik terus. Kau dah jadi jual dia cakap. Kau jangan tarik mana mana baru ini jual dia.
Now we make already Gmail new one. So now we make Apple ID.
Ya mah polis apa ni tu biru. Ya polis tahu ni dulu dia. Iya, kita ya, tadi lah kalau ini ada deh. Dia mau ada betul. Cái bài này bán lại để bán xà để chứ đâu có chuyện rồi có là mấy nào đó một tiền. Mình nói chuyện cả. Cái lại tiền để một còn nữa, lại cái lào cao của cái này. Cái ăn tiền mồi.
Password. Now we already make Apple ID. It's done already. Apple ID. Okay. See, everything is done. Okay. See. Totally brand new. The battery cycle is 0. I show you warranty. This one see today is activate already. The warranty start from today.
Police on
Open lock again, you put lock. Okay. So this is the first one. You know your Facebook ID, right? I don't
Password?
know.
Yes, I know. Password.
Good. I log in here, okay?
Okay.
Then they ask password. It's done already. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to ANZ Gadget,
SS gadget.
SS Gadget, and
Okay. Today we sell again phone.
16, 17 Pro Max,
Blue color.
brand
Brand new.
new,
Yeah.
under 1 year warranty from Apple, international warranty. Yeah,
International one.
come again, have a good day,
Datang lagi.
datang lagi,
Now in Tamil also. Speak in Tamil.
வாங்க,
also.
என் கடைக்கு வாங்க,
ठीक
shopping
है.
பண்ணுங்க, datang lagi, மாப்போம், alpha.
What is what is saying?
Alpha, come again
Yeah.
to our SS Gadget and
Yeah.
shopping. And
Thank you.
look for we give a good service for customers.
Yeah.
Every free gift,
Yeah.
whatever they want, we give a good happiness for the
Buy
customers.
one phone, take anne free.
Take me free.
Yeah, anne
Can-
free.
Can I have a deal?
Yeah.
Can I have a
But
deal?
she will never pay.
Never pay, only free. I'm
If
free.
you buy one more phone,
I
you
free.
can.
I free.
Yeah, you can take.
You can take me.
Yeah.
I'm a smart guy. Yeah, I'm a smart guy.
Okay.
You can come and take. We go for drinks, coffee, tea, whatever we like. Okay, thank you. Come
Thank you.
again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.